Hello children, how are you? This is Mercy from Bharathidhasanar Matric High Secondary School, Arakkonam. I am handling physics. Today we are going to discuss about the topic is magnetism. The standard is 7th. Already we discussed in our previous classes what is magnet and what is the discovery of magnet. We already discussed in our previous class. Today we are going to start our discussion poles of magnet and attraction and repulsion between the magnet and precaution in using magnet, laws of magnet. These are all the topics we are going to discuss. So first, poles of magnet. So magnet have two poles. One is a north pole, another one is a south pole. So magnet have two ends. The two ends always facing north and south poles. So the end of freely suspended magnet which points towards the geographic north. So which end points the geographic north, that is called north pole. What is meant by south pole? Same. A suspended magnet which points towards the geographic south side. So geographical south side point pannuchu appadina, that is called south pole. Attraction. So next we can see the attraction of the magnet. Already we know magnet have two poles. One is a north pole and another one is a south pole. So attraction. In opposite poles of the magnet always attract each other. That means north and south pole will attract each other. What about north and south? The north side and south poles are always repulsed. So if you have a magnet means you just check it the sides. If the magnet have the same side means it will not attract each other, it always repels. Next we can see the repulsion. What is repulsion? Same side of the magnet always repels. You can see this GIF. Here this is the same side, it cannot be attract each other. For example, north and south always repels each other. Magnetic compass. A magnet compass is a simple device. So in the magnet compass you can see the magnet needle. For what purpose they are using magnet compass? It is used to find out the directions. So we can use to find out the direction of north and south pole. So used by the pilots and navigators. So this device is used by the pilots and navigators to find out the directions. Because the needle always facing the pole of north and south pole. If you find the north and south pole, automatically you can find out the east and west. So this is used to find out the direction of a poles. So next, make your own magnet. It's a very interesting topic. How can we make our own magnet? So I will going to explain it. In your home, you have any magnet, you just try it in your home. If you have the magnet, take it. And if you have any steel plate, place it on a table. Then take a magnet and rub it on a steel plate. Then turn the magnet and you have to rub it more than 20 to 30 times. So you can repeat the process again and again. After that you can feel that steel plate also have the magnetic power. How can we find? You can take any pins to keep it near, it will attract. If you take any iron particle or steel particle, it will attract. So this is the simple method to make a own magnet. That method is called single touch method. In this picture you can see they are having one steel plate, rectangular steel plate. The end is noted AB. Then we are taking a one bar magnet. Then we have to drag it on a, rub it on a steel plate. So first they are using north side, then rub it. Then they are turn it south side and rub it. So you have to repeat the process again and again. After some words you can find out the steel plate also have the magnetic power. So this is the one method to make a own magnet. This method is called single touch method. Next, we are going to see when magnet lost its magnetic power, that is demagnetized. When the magnet is going to lose its magnetic power, one is heated. If you are going to heat the magnet, means the magnetic will lose its magnetic power. Then strongly hammered. If you take any strongly hammered, then you have to beat it on a magnet, means it will lose its magnetic power. Then the last point is roughly handled. What is the meaning of roughly handled? It will throw out away, or else you have dropped down from the height. So it will going to lose the magnetic power. So that's all about the today's topic, children. So what we discussed in our today's class, one is poles of a magnet, and then how can we make a own magnet, what is attraction and repulsion of the magnet, and the last we discussed demagnetized of the magnet. So thank you for all your listening, children. So try to make a own magnet in your home. In this below description, we are going to attach our study material and self-assessment. Kindly go through it and study well. Thank you.